Today is my birthday! I feel very happy and excited. Today is my birthday! Yay! Today is my birthday party day!
Full. Good morning, Emily.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. Wow! The living room is decorated. It looks so beautiful. Dad, I cannot wait until my birthday party.
It's gonna be wonderful. Emily, the decorations are complete now, but I need to go to work.
Be a good girl. I'll be back soon.
He will come back soon. Don't worry, my love. Emily, your friend will come soon. Be prepared now.
Today I am looking so pretty, and this dress is a Barbie dress. Today my Emily is looking so beautiful. Emily, your friend is here. Please open the door. I am coming. Wait a second. I am coming. Wait a second. Hey, Emily. Over here, Emily. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my birthday party. Happy birthday, Emily. Wow. Wow, this living room is so beautiful. These decorations are wonderful. We are really excited. Happy birthday, Emily. It's time for the cake. Wow, the cake is so delicious. Hooray! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Emily. This party is fun already. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Emily. I am hungry now. Can we eat the cake? It looks very delicious. Happy birthday, Emily! Wow, this is amazing. Thank you. Let's eat some cake. Yeah, let's party. I hope Dad can still come back before the birthday party ends. Goodbye, Emily. We are going now. Bye-bye. When will Dad come?
Don't be sad, my little angel. I'm here now.
Wait, I hear the doorbell. Someone is coming. Oh, who is it? I am coming. Wait a second.
Happy birthday, Emily. Huh? I came back as fast as possible.
Dad, I missed you so much. I am very happy now.
Oh, Emily, I missed you too. I love you, sweetie. Emily, I am so sorry. You are very important to me.
I understand now, Dad. Thank you for coming back. Dad, what is this? Emily, this is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you. I am very happy. Everyone is here. This party is so special for me.
Happy birthday, my sweet.
We love you, Emily.